Imagine a world where artificial intelligence, AI, isn't just science fiction, but a helpful companion in your daily life. Intriguing, isn't it? This isn't just a figment of our imagination anymore. We've swiftly transitioned into an era where AI stands shoulder to shoulder with us, making our lives more streamlined. Think about it. AI is now a viable partner that can augment your productivity and catalyze your creative spark. From making our professional lives more efficient to enhancing our educational experiences, AI's influence is ubiquitous. Even recreational activities have been transformed by AI's touch. In this exclusive video, we take you on a journey showcasing remarkable AI tools that can potentially alter your life in a positive manner. However, before we dive into this, it's time to bid goodbye to the technical terms. We'll keep our focus solely on options that are easy to use, ensuring that even if you're a novice, you won't feel left out. No coding degree required. AI writing assistants, stuck staring at a blank page? We've all been there, staring at the menacing white abyss of nothingness, the cursor blinking expectantly. The daunting task of starting from scratch can make even the most seasoned writers shudder, but don't fret, here's where technology comes to your rescue. Tools like Grammarly and Jasper can be your saving grace in times of writer's block. These innovative software applications not only help you brainstorm ideas, but they also aid in generating comprehensive outlines for your write-ups. Imagine having an intelligent tool that can write entire sections of text on your behalf. Intriguing, isn't it? But that's not all. They can also check for grammar and plagiarism, thereby ensuring your writing is not just well-structured, but also flawless, polished, and professional. These AI writing assistants make the art of writing a breeze. Language learning apps. Platforms like Duolingo and Babbel use AI to personalize your learning experience and track your progress. These sophisticated applications, powered by advanced artificial intelligence, are committed to offering a customized learning experience tailored to each individual's needs. They study your learning patterns, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and adapt to your pace. The AI constantly tracks your advancement and is designed to make amendments to your learning plan based on your progress. These apps also incorporate innovative features like simulated conversations. Using advanced technology, they can mimic interactions with native speakers, thus providing an immersive learning experience. This not only makes the process more entertaining but also simulates a real-life scenario, making language learning more engaging and effective. AI design tools, Canva and Adobe Spark offer AI-powered templates and design suggestions. These cutting-edge platforms provide a user-friendly interface that is easy to navigate even for beginners. The AI technology behind these tools utilizes complex algorithms to predict and suggest designs that match your vision and purpose. The design templates offered are vast and diverse, catering to a range of styles and themes. Whether you're designing a business card, a social media post, or a full-fledged website, these tools have got you covered. Additionally, a remarkable feature is their ability to seamlessly remove backgrounds from photos, a task that was once considered complex for non-designers. This not only simplifies the design process, but also opens up a world of possibilities for creating outstanding visuals. The beauty of these tools lies in the fact that they empower anyone to become a designer, regardless of their prior experience or skill set. They can create stunning visuals, even if you have zero design experience. Smart assistants. Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant aren't just music players. These virtual assistants have evolved far beyond their initial functionalities. Indeed, you can employ them for various purposes. For instance, you can lean on this dynamic trio to manage your daily agenda, freeing up your time for other priorities. Want to set reminders for important events? No problem. Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant can handle that with ease. How about delegating tasks? Yes, they're up for that challenge too. The scope of their capabilities is increasing exponentially, making our lives remarkably easier and more efficient. Picture this: asking your AI assistant to schedule a meeting with John for next Tuesday at 2 p.m. It's not just about convenience, but a significant advancement towards maximizing productivity. Smart assistants. Imagine asking your AI assistant to schedule a meeting with John for next Tuesday at 2 p.m. Instant productivity boost. AI art generators. Platforms such as Midjourney and DALL-E 2 have the capacity to transfigure your wildest artistic concepts into tangible reality using simple text prompts. Envision being able to articulate the intricate details of your most extravagant dreams, the fantastical landscapes that exist solely in the corners of your imagination. Imagine being able to transcribe these thoughts into text and then witnessing as the AI interprets your descriptions. With every word you provide, the AI redraws the mental image with astounding accuracy and detail. It takes your dream vacation landscape, your mind's paradise, and it manifests it into an awe-inspiring painting. Just envision describing your dream vacation landscape and having an AI generate a stunning painting of it.